I deleted all your pictures today. Put your stuff in a box away. It took everything I had inside, but I couldn't let it slide. I changed my password, changed my code. I lightened up my heavy load. Removed you from my everyday in a quiet, painful way. Moving on is hard to do, even when I know I'm through. Even when I know it's right, it's a difficult, lonely fight. My heart keeps pulling me back. My mind keeps on the attack, but I'm taking it day by day, finding my own way. I'm moving on, step by step. Even though my heart's upset, I'm moving on, day by day. Even though I wanna stay, but I know I gotta go. Even if it's slow, I know I gotta leave. Even if I grieve, I'm moving on, I'm moving on. I still think about you sometimes when a song comes on that was ours in my mind, but I don't cry like I used to. I guess that means I'm getting through. I don't reach for the phone at night. I don't check if you're online. I'm slowly letting you go, even though it hurts to know. Some days are harder than the rest. Some days I still fail the test. Some days I wanna call and say I miss you more than I can say, but those days are getting fewer. My heart is getting truer to the fact that I deserve more than what you had in store. Yeah, I'm moving on, step by step. Even though my heart's upset, I'm moving on, day by day. Even though I wanna stay, but I know I gotta go. Even if it's slow, I know I gotta leave. Even if I grieve, I'm moving on, I'm moving on. It doesn't hurt the same, the edges aren't as sharp with pain. I'm learning to be okay with loving you and yesterday. I'm learning to be just fine with you no longer being mine. I'm learning to be free from the way you used to be. Moving on, I'm really moving on. Finally, I'm finally gone from you, from us, from the pain. I'll never be the same again. I'm living
I'm not a boy playing games anymore. I've been through enough, I know the score. I know what I want, I know what I need, and I'm ready to plant a love seed. No more running, no more hiding, no more deciding not to decide. I'm ready to be all in, ready to let love win. I made mistakes, I've paid my dues, I've sang the blues in different hues. I've loved and lost, I've been burned, I've had lessons I've learned, and now I'm standing here without a single fear, ready to give my all, ready to answer love's call. I'm a grown man with grown man plans. I wanna hold your hand as a grown man. Oh, I'm a grown man with a grown man love, sent from somewhere up above, ready to settle down grown man town, ready to be true. Oh, ready to give my all to you. I used to think that love was a game, that it was all about the fame of having someone by my side, of having somewhere to hide. But now I know that love is work, that it's not something to shirk. It's a daily choice, it's a daily voice. So if you're ready for a man who understands what love demands, take my hand, I promise to be true. In all I say and do, I promise to be there through every single care. I promise to be there through every single care. I'm a grown man with grown man as I wanna hold your hand as a grown man. I'm a grown man, love sent from somewhere up above, ready to settle down in this grown man town. This grown man town, ready to be true. Yeah. Ready to give my all to you. The boys have all gone home, the men are left alone, to build something that lasts, to build something that's vast. I'm ready to build with you, to see the project through, to the end of our days in so many ways. Grown man, ready to love you right. Grown man, every day and night. Let's do this right. Grown man, let's do this forever. Grown man, love fading never. Deep bass. Oh, ooh, oh, yeah. I wrote these vows 100 times, but nothing seems to capture what you mean to me. I wrote these vows 100 times, trying to get them right, but nothing seems to capture what I feel inside tonight. Not the words, not the poetry, not the finest prose can describe the way my heart beats every time your presence shows. So I'll just speak from my heart, let my feelings guide the way. I promise you forever, starting from this very day. I promise to love you, even when the road gets hard. I promise to hold you, even when we're broken, torn and scarred. I promise to cherish every moment, every single day, in every single way. I promise to be yours forever and a day. Better or worse, sickness and health, I'll be right by your side. Through poverty or riches, through the rising and the tide. I promise to be faithful, to be true in every way, to honor and respect you every single day. I'm not a perfect man, I made mistakes along the way. Loving you has made me better, more than I can say. And I promise to keep growing, to keep learning how to be the man that you deserve, the man who set you free. I promise to love you, even when the road gets hard. I promise to hold you, even when we're broken, torn and scarred. I promise to cherish every moment, every single day, in every single day, in every single way, every single way. I promise to be yours forever and a day. And when we're old and gray and our hair has turned to white, I'll still look at you the same way as I did on this night. Wondering with gratitude, with love that never ends. My lover and my partner, my best friend. I'm yours, forever yours. My love, my life, my everything. With this ring, I'll be wed. And with my life I promise, forever, forever. Soft kiss.
The miles between us grew so wide that even love couldn't ride. Across the distance day by day, slowly fading all away. We started strong, we started bold, with promises that we would hold each other closest back to space, with smiles plastered on our face. We tried so hard to hold on tight, could distance won the fight. You crept up slowly, silently, you stole you right from me. Not all at once, but day by day, it took our love away. Until one day I woke to find you gone from her and mine. Distance killed what we had, made the good times turn to bad. Distance stole your voice from me. Now it's just a memory of what we used to be. Of what we couldn't save. Distance built a wall, and now you're not there at all. Video calls weren't enough to keep together all our stuff. The intimacy disappear when you aren't physically here. A screen can't hold you in the night. A screen can't make the darkness bright. A screen is just a poor substitute for the warmth of you. We count the days until we meet. Those moments were so bittersweet, a burst of joy, then more goodbye. What tears I couldn't hide. It wore us down, it took its toll. It damaged both our soul until we couldn't take no more. Couldn't fight the wall. Distance killed what we had, made the good times turn to bad. Distance stole your voice from me. Now it's just a memory of what we used to be, of what we couldn't save. Distance built a wall, and now you're not there at all. Some loves can survive the miles, but ours couldn't stand the trials of lonely nights and empty days, and all the unsaid
words on my screen. Not I love you, but what they mean. I'm sorry, but it's over now. Didn't even have the courage to say it out loud. A paragraph of empty words sent like I never deserved. More than pixels on a phone, left here hurting all alone. You didn't call, you didn't come, you didn't even use my name. Just a generic message that was also very lame. I hope you understand, and it's not you, it's me. The oldest lines in history, the worst ones, honestly. You broke my heart with a goodbye text. No call, no warning, just what's next. You deleted me like an app, while I'm here crumbling in your lap. Of someone who got more than pixels on a screen. Someone who gotta hear your voice, someone who got the full scene. I read it once, I read it twice. Still can't believe you paid that price for closure without a sound. Left my heart bleeding on the ground. 4 years together, 4 years of love, ended by a message from above. A notification on my phone, leaving me completely alone. I thought I meant more than that. I thought our love was where it's at. I thought we had something real, something you could touch and feel. But apparently I was wrong. Our love wasn't that strong. It was just a passing phase, just a digital haze. You broke my heart with a goodbye text. No call, no warning, just what's next. You deleted me like an app, while I'm here crumbling in your lap. But someone who got back more than pixels on a screen. Someone who gotta hear your voice, someone who got the full scene. I guess I meant that little to you, that a text would have to do. And what we built for years with nothing but digital tears. I guess I was just a face, just a name in your database. Easily deleted, easily defeated. Goodbye text, that's how it ends on a screen with no amends. I deserve better than that. I deserve more than a chat. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, 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 hey. I've been practicing this moment, but now you're here, and I forget everything. Whoa, whoa. I've been practicing this moment in my head 1,000 times, rehearsing every word, every gesture, every line. But now you're standing right before me, looking like a dream, and I forget everything I'd planned, or so it seems. But then I look into your eyes, those eyes I've known so long, and I realize the perfect words come when I'm not trying to be strong, when I just speak from my heart, let my feelings guide the way. That's when I know exactly what I need to say. So here I am, down on one knee, asking you to marry me. I don't have much, but what I have every hope and every fear. Built the road that brought me here to this very spot, where I ask the question that means everything I've got. I remember our first date, how nervous I had been. I remember thinking this is where my life begins, and I was right, because from then my world made sense. You're the answer to a prayer I've been praying ever since. So here I am, down on one knee, asking you to marry me, asking you to marry me. I don't have much, but what I have is a love that's gonna last. Will you take my hand and be my wife? Be my wife. Start our future, change my life. And if you say yes, and I hope that you do, I promise to spend forever loving you. Through every high, through every low, I'll be right there. I want you to know. Yes. You said yes. Deep breath. I'm the luckiest man alive. I promise to love you forever and ever. They kiss. Yeah. They say I'm different, I don't fit in. I don't play the games they're in. I march to my own drum beat, on my own 2 feet. I don't follow the crowd, I don't laugh out loud at jokes that aren't funny. I don't take fake money. But different doesn't mean less than. It means I am who I am. It means I'm not a copy. It means I'm not sloppy with my identity, with my authenticity. I'm proudly me. I'm proudly free. I'm different and I'm proud. I say it nice and loud. I'm different, can't you see? I'm exactly who I'm meant to be. Not a copy, not a clone. I'm uniquely on my own. I'm different, and that's my superpower, my finest hour. I tried to fit in once or twice, but it never felt right, it never sufficed. I tried to be like everyone, but a battle couldn't be won. Because I'm wired differently, I'm styled distinctly, I'm cut from a different cloth. I'm not afraid of love. So now I'm embracing the weird and living without fear of judgment, of rejection, of others' perception. I'm owning my quirks, I'm doing the works of being authentically, completely, totally me. I'm different and I'm proud. I say it nice and loud. I'm different, can't you see? I'm exactly who I'm meant to be. Not a copy, not a clone. I'm uniquely on my own. I'm different, and that's my superpower, my finest hour. Different is beautiful, different is powerful, different is me, completely and totally. The world needs more of us, the ones who make a fuss about being real, about how we feel. Different, and I'm different, different, yeah, I'm different. And I love it, I wouldn't trade it. Different, it's my gifting, it's my truth, it's my life. Different, and I'm different, different.
But baby, we're so clever, 'cause we figured out the way to make our love stay. Through the changing of the seasons, through the unexplainable reasons why some loves die and some survive, we kept our love alive. It's not about the youth, it's about the truth. It's not about the looks, it's about the books we've written with our lives, with our tears and our highs. It's about the history, the you and the me. Timeless, that's what we are, brighter than the brightest stars. Timeless, through the years, conquering all the fears. Our love don't know how to age, it just turns another page in a book that never ends, when love always mends. Young love is beautiful, I know, but old love has a special glow. It's weathered storms and stood the test, and proven it's the best. It's been tested, it's been tried, it's been battered, it's been fried, and still it stands, still it stands, still holding hands. We've been through everything, the good, the bad, the in-between. We've been through poverty and wealth, we've been through sickness and health, and through it all we stayed true. Me to you and you to me too. That's why our love is rare, that's why we're still there. Timeless, that's what we are, brighter than the brightest star. Timeless, timeless, through the years, conquering all the fears. Our love don't know how to dare, don't know how to age. Turns another page, turns another page. When we're old and gray, our love will still have its say. That true love never dies, it just multiplies in the hearts of those who see what true love can really be. A timeless thing, a never-ending spring. Timeless, you and me, forever young, forever free. Timeless love, that's what we are. Timeless, like the stars. Just be honest with me, that's all I'm asking. Can you see I can handle the truth, even if it's uncouth? I can take the pain, I can't stand the rain if it means I'm not a fool. Lies hurt so much more than any open door. Lies cut so much deeper than any honest reaper of dreams and hopes and plans, of hearts and holding hands. Just tell me true, just see me through. Be honest, tell me how you feel. Be honest, keep it real. I'd rather hear the truth than cry, than live a comfortable lie. Honesty is all I need to plant a love seed that can grow and thrive, that can keep our love alive. I know the truth can sting, but lies don't mean a thing if you don't love me anymore. Just show me to the door, don't string me along. Don't sing me a song of false hope and empty dreams of impossible schemes. I deserve to know, I deserve to grow from a place of truth, not from a lying sleuth who tells me what I wanna hear while feeding me with fear of losing you, of being untrue. Be honest, tell me how you feel. Be honest, keep it real. I'd rather hear the truth than cry than live a comfortable lie. Honesty is all I need to plant a love seed that can grow and thrive, that can keep our love alive. I'm strong enough to take it, even if it breaks it. I'd rather know for sure than living and dreaming pure. I'd rather have the scars than reach for the stars that aren't really there, that are just thin honest. That's all I want. Just be honest with me, please. Honest, even if it hurts, at least I'll know. At least I'll grow. Stripped down, single voice fades. I still talk to you in my head, pretending that you're here instead. I still laugh at jokes we shared, pretending that you still care. I still see you in my dreams, but nothing is as bad as it seems. So where we're still together, where we're still holding on forever. Reality is too damn hard, it's too painful, it's too scarred. So I retreat to my backyard of memories where I don't have to face the truth of your empty space, the truth of your missing face. In my head, we're still together. In my head, it's now or never. In my head, you didn't leave. In my head, I still believe that somewhere, somehow, you're still mine. That somewhere, somehow, we have time. I know it's not healthy, I know it's not right, but it gets me through the night when the world is too much and I need your gentle touch. I close my eyes and you're right there, running your fingers through my hair. I know I need to let you go, I know that I need to grow. I know that living in the past is a spell that cannot last, but for now just let me be lost in what we used to be. For now just let me hide with you safely inside. In my head we're still together. In Today I give myself to you in every way and all I do. From this moment forward I am yours, as you are mine forevermore. I take your hand, I take your heart, I take the whole and every part of who you are and who you'll be for all eternity. I don't take this lightly, no. I want the whole world to know that you're the one I waited for. You're the one I adore. Through every lifetime, through every space, you're the one I wanna face. When morning comes and night goes, you're the one my heart knows. Forever mine, that's what you'll be for all eternity. Forever mine, through thick and thin until the very end. I promise you, my heart, my soul, my everything, my whole, forever mine, yours, behind these closing doors. I'll be your shelter from the rain, your comfort through the pain, your partner, lover, and your friend until the very end. I'll hold you when you're weak, I'll lift you when you're meek. I'll celebrate your every win, I'll catch you when you fall in. I promise to be true in all I say and do. I promise to be faithful, to be ever grateful for the gift of your love, sent from somewhere up above, for the blessing of your presence, for your beautiful essence. That's what you'll be for all eternity. Forever mine, through thick and thin until the very end. I promise you, my heart, my soul, my everything, my whole, forever mine, behind these closing doors. And when our time on earth is done, our love will still live on in children, memories, and dreams, and all that loving means in the hearts of those who knew of what we made and grew. A love that will not die, a love that reaches high. Together, forever, until the end of time. You're mine. We used to talk all night, now we don't even text. We used to hold each other tight, now I'm just perplexed by how we got from there to here, from everything to nothing, from I love you to silence, from warm to cold and bluffing. I don't know where we went wrong, I replayed it in my mind 1,000 times, a million times, but I just cannot find the moment that it shifted, the second that it broke, when we went from being lovers to being just a joke. Used to be my baby, now you're just a memory. Used to drive me crazy, now you don't even faze me. But I'm lying if I say I don't miss you every day. Used to be my everything, now you're just someone I used to know. phone from happier times ago. And I'm sitting here alone, wondering if you know how much I still think about you, how much I still care. Even though we're strangers now, even though you're not there. I heard you're doing well, I'm happy that you're fine. I hope you found the peace of mind that you could never find when you were with me, when we were drowning in the noise. I hope you found your happiness, I hope you found your voice. Used to be my baby, now you're just a memory. Used to drive me crazy, now you don't even faze me. But I'm lying if I say I don't miss you every day. Used to be my everything, now you're just someone I used to know. People change, I understand, that's just the way it goes. Some loves are meant to blossom, some are meant to. No words, just us. Let your body tell me everything. We don't need to say a thing, not a single sound. Your body's already told me everything I need to know right now. The way you move, the way you breathe, the way your fingers trace patterns on my skin that I can't replace. So let your hands do the talking, let your hips keep on walking towards me, into me. All of you I need. Your body's the only book I wanna read. Body talk, let it say what you want. Don't hold back, don't be shy, just flaunt. Body talk, let your feelings unlock. I'm listening tonight, I'm watching every move you make. 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 Every touch is a sentence, every kiss is a paragraph. And we're writing a whole novel with every single laugh. Every sigh is a chapter, every moan is a page in the story of our love. We're setting the stage. Some conversations need no words to be profound. Some feelings are best when they're just felt, not a sound. So keep moving, keep showing, keep letting me see everything that you want, everything you need from me. Body talk, let it say what you want. Don't hold back, don't be shy, just follow. Body talk, let your feelings unlock. I'm listening tonight, I'm watching every move you make. But I'm watching every move you make. But I'm watching every move you make. I'm watching every move you make. And when we're done, we'll start a new chapter. Your body talking, mine answering after. The only language that needs no translation is the conversation of our bodies' communication. Keep talking, I'm listening, don't stop. Ooh, we're deep in my favorite song.